Hey y'all, it's Meg and Ryan. We're back for another episode of Building the Lowcountry. We're here at Dodgson Flooring with Jason. Dodgson has been in business since 1985, servicing the Lowcountry, and they've been in this location on the island since 1999. Jason, tell us about where you guys service.
Well, we obviously will do here on Hilton Head Island, but we also will take care of any residents in Bluffton. And then our people out in Chowansky who live in Hague Point, we'll come out there and take care of you as well.
Awesome, awesome. What all do you guys provide here?
Really any flooring needs, we can take care of carpet, LVP, which is kind of the staple of the market around here, and engineered wood, tile. There's a lot of different options here.
Awesome.
Cool. So we're going to head over to the first line of product you sell here. It's called CoreTech. Tell us a little bit about CoreTech, why this kind of becomes the go-to product for a lot of folks when they come down here and want to do a remodel.
CoreTech is the brand when it comes to luxury vinyl plank. They're the ones who kind of set the standard for the industry. A lot of the others might not like me saying that, but it's true. So this is kind of our go-to and by far our biggest seller, but it's not the only thing we offer here. We're gonna have Triumph, Stanton, some other smaller brands. We can do different lines from Shaw, Mohawk. We've got a lot of different options.
Okay, and LVP stands for?
Luxury Vinyl Plank.
A lot of people get it messed up, and I just want to, this is a great medium to fix that problem.
It is not your grandmother's vinyl.
No.
This does not roll out in a sheet.
Okay.
You can feel it, it has texture.
The good stuff,
Yeah.
you can't tell if it's wood
Yep.
or if it's luxury vinyl plank. You're literally going to get down there and feel it, and you're really going to be wondering, now, what is this?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
very cool. So the next step up from here would be engineered, which we can go take a look at
Engineered
next.
wood, yes.
Cool.
Talk about some trends. Everybody's coming in here, we live at the beach.
Right now, our biggest trends in this area are going to be our kind of timeless colors, like this kind of bleached out wood look.
Okay.
And we have a lot of options in here. If you want darker, we can go darker. But around here, everybody tends to go in these lighter, beachy colors.
Something I get asked a lot about the jump from LVP to an engineered is percentage-wise. I know everything's a little different price-wise, but percentage-wise, how much of a jump are you talking in price? Is it negligible or is it significant?
It can be comparative,
Okay.
but this can go higher. They can be in the same margin price-wise, but there are higher-end wood floors that are going to go above and beyond where luxury vinyl plank will be.
And is there a time and place for each of them where you would want to use one but not the other?
There is. I mean, this is typically not something you're going to want to put in bathrooms, something like that has a lot of water. But
LVP you could.
luxury vinyl plank, you can put it everywhere in your house.
So it's a good thing if somebody's renovating a condo here, wants something, they want to remodel it and get it durable.
It's the bread and butter for the rental community.
Perfect,
Awesome.
good to know. Next stop.
Carpet.
Carpet.
We have loads of carpet options. Carpet is something where you've got huge margins in your pricing. So we've got, your kind of entry-level pricing, but we have really high-end designer types, Karastan, Corsan, Maslin, your big designer brands. We have that. Stanton has got a lot of really intricate designs in their fabrics, so there's a lot of options there. But if you just kind of want your standard run-of-the-mill carpet, we've got plenty of options there.
So you're helping homeowners make their selections. They can come in here, physically touch everything, but you guys also install.
Yes,
Which is huge. You're a one-stop shop.
we are a one-stop shop, and customer service is our absolute #1 goal. We want you to be taken care of and happy from the moment you walk in this door until you're walking on that new floor.
That's awesome.
Cool. Something I was really impressed was you were showing me before we started shooting here how you estimate.
Oh, yeah.
Your estimating
We
tool.
come out with an iPad and we do a digital measurement of your home, and I will create a digital blueprint of your house, and we can drag and drop products in there, and we can really just kind of play with what we're going to do at your home.
That's awesome. I think the only thing we didn't touch on was tile.
Yeah, tile.
Take
We
a
have
sneak
tile
peek.
here too. A couple options that we can throw out. We have stuff that's more of your standard, maybe like a bathroom tile, things like that, that is just going to blend in. But if you want to make a statement, we have a lot of options that go in that kind of frame as well. So a lot of different things that you can take a look at. And I just encourage anyone to come down and meet us.
Awesome.
We're happy to meet anyone.
Look forward to it. Maybe we can see some installs soon.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.